gon' tell the truth? Who gon' tell me lies? I feel traumatized, demons creeping, but I'm still alive. I survived, yeah, I came to flex. They been cutting checks for me, but who gon' really check when I ain't at my best? Lonely, I've been feeling that.
Alright. There's a police car. Right, me and Cameron, we're going to the local bridge here on our skateboards to do those awesome steel wool things, right?
That's right.
Those like cool pictures of steel wool. And we gotten them before, and we're just gonna do a different location this time. It's gonna be cool. Might recognize this spot. This is where we shot pellets at Thomas Hogan.
That's right.
When
cut to the footage.
Yes. There we go.
Yeah, I cannot just forgo any little bit, man. I need me a 10. I'm rolling up pressure, I'm coughing, I'm wheezing, it's getting it.
We're back. So this is the bridge that we're on. You probably can't tell it's a bridge. Hold on, wait a minute, hold on. Yeah, we gotta do out the lights because like we just need it all dark. So this is the materials, the steel wool we got, and you have to have this little whisk thing to do it. You need like less light to like have like a better shot. So you can have everything dark and then just have like the sparks flying all over the place. And like you have to like do a certain thing with like the camera settings. So like the sparks like leave a trail. You know probably what I'm talking about. Alright, so now I have to use this camera to get the shot. So I will be taking the video of just us like doing it with my phone, so.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come.
Alright, so we just got done with like the bridge one, and it looks so raw. It's so sweet. Go over to the tunnel one over here. Yeah, this is, we don't know how it's gonna turn out because it's a little bright.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna,
So I don't.
we could try.
I stand outside.
Alright, off to the next spot because that one didn't work. It's a light.
Too much light.
Too much light. Alright, so we got to, this was spot 3, and it was supposed to be dark, but the one day we came here, that's the one day they were going to light it. So this was going to be the spot, this cool tunnel thing, but
That's right.
my guys lit it. Right, we made it to the one spot, we made it to another spot where he's going to stand on this pedestal, and we're going to try. Can we turn them off? Probably not.
Oh, wait, hold on.
My guys, we have a guy lurking over there. And we have to make sure, because last time we did this, we almost caught a fire. Well, we started a fire, but it just rained, so we're okay. So I think we are good to go.
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one.
I think we're gonna go home. Do some post-production. It's gonna be muy bien.
Fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border,